What is going on, you guys? Welcome to the video. Today I want to introduce you to this cool brand called Bola Solutions, as you can see here. And this was sent over to me by the guys over at Carzilla.ca, which is extremely awesome and generous of them to do so. But this brand, I've done a little bit of research on it, and from what I can tell, it is a Korean brand. Most of the products do say made in Korea right on the bottle. If you can see there, right there, made in Korea. And so far as I can tell, it is a relatively new brand in North America and in the rest of the world. I believe they're about 5 or 6 years old in general. And so far I've seen a few videos from a few channels, but very, very seldom do you see anything on YouTube so far about Bola Solutions. And I had to do a little bit of digging to kind of find out what was going on with this brand. But as soon as I unbox these products, my very first impression of all this is majority of their lineup, by the way, that you will find on Carzilla.ca. What I found was that the packaging, very consistent looking, as you can see from all these spray bottles here, all the way to the pumps over here. They're all the same looking bottles, similar design, so very consistent. So if you're someone that's a little bit OCD like that and you really like how everything looks on the shelf, then I think this product line is definitely going to catch your eye. But as you can see, everything is very, like I said, consistent. And if we pull any of their bottles, they remind me of something that you would find kind of in your bathroom in terms of beauty products. Looks like a soap dispenser bottle. And they have this cool design, which this for a while was bugging me. I'm like, where do I know this design from? I know it from somewhere. I just couldn't pinpoint it. And then the funny thing was, I was walking home, or I was getting home, and I looked down, and our mat at our entry, and I'll show you that, kind of looks like that pattern. So that was kind of a little funny little thing for me. So now, like I said, this brand is new to me. I had to do a little bit of research just to find out some information about what they're all kind of about. And from what I've gathered so far, decent products. I've only been testing out these products for the last week or so. I've tried out the Bola Solutions car soap over here, which is the A43. And then I've tried out the tire dressing, which is that product right there. I've tried out the P17S and the P17. And initially what happened was I was getting extremely confused as to what the numbers meant and how their whole system worked. Because P17 kind of reminded me of Seal and Shine a little bit as I was applying it. And then P17S, I had to do a little bit of digging on that one. And it turns out it's just a slicker version of the P17. It's almost like a topper. So I used both of those, and application was good. No issues there. It left a lot of gloss, decent amount of slickness on this Kia Santa Fe Hyundai Santa Fe that I did the headlight restoration on. And as you can see, the before and afters, a lot of gloss, decent hydrophobicity. But just preliminary testing as of right now. Then over here we have their Dual Magic Scrub Pad, as you can see there. And this one actually reminds me of one from Geon, which I actually use a lot to scrub vinyl and interiors. And it's kind of this like rough, but not rough that you're going to scratch anything material, with this low pile of microfiber on one side. And you kind of just do this and that's it. And it's a 15 by 13 centimeter product. I haven't used this one yet, but I've used similar products, and they actually work out really well to make quick work of scrubbing down like door panels and dashboards and stuff like that. And then they wash out decently well as well. And then the big 86 by 74 centimeter absorb drying towel. This one I've used numerous times already. And this one made in South Korea. I believe it's a 70-30 blend. Let me take a look at the tag. But this is a phenomenal drying towel so far. Did the initial wash on it before using it just to test for color fastness. Didn't really change color, so that's good. And it is tagless, so I will have to do some research to see if this is a 70-30 blend. But they got their name kind of printed there. But dual-sided towel with deep pile on one side and kind of this kind of pile on the other side. Super absorbent, really nice drying towel. put that one away. So I'll overlay the GSM and the blend on the screen there so you get to see. So these chemicals, initially I was kind of confused as to what the numbers and stuff meant, but then it became pretty clear that P is paint, A is, I don't know what the A is, that's an iron remover right there. I'm not sure what the A stands for, but P, again, pre-treatment for the paint, G over here is glass, and then we have W for wheel, tire, and then over here, A again, which I'm assuming means some kind of pre-treatment because it's the soap and then the iron. So that's some kind of pre-treatment. But then over here we have their ceramic coatings, which this is what I'm most excited about. They sent me over 5 of their coatings. I don't know if you can see those there with this angle, but we have a pro grade coating over here, which if we look, there's the details there. So we have a Bola Solution Pure Shield Evo, durable siloxane-based chemicals, ultimate hardness ceramic coating. And so it's called the Evo Pure Shield. And it's a 50 ml bottle there with a, looks like 10 by 10 size, 4 suede applicators, and then a 4, I don't know what that means. We'll do a little bit of an unboxing on all of these products here, just to kind of show you what is included. And then, so there's a professional version of the coating, and then there's the, this one says STD, like a standard version of the same coating. So I'm assuming this is just probably a less solid content coating compared to that one over there. And then we have something called the Bola Solutions Aqua Shield. And this one here is a more of a top coat type of coating, and it's supposed to be more of like a booster, more hydrophobic, more slick. So it'll be interesting to see how all these stack on top of each other. And then we have the leather coating over here. Very, very consistent packaging. So all of the packaging for all the products has this like gauge here, durability, workability effect. Nano Fusion Bola technology, and then here it kind of gives you some more details. So this is the Tan Noble Shield leather coating. Tells you here it's a 30 ml, and then what's included, and it's a Bola Solutions Noble Shield. And then the packaging is a little confusing, I'm not gonna lie. The packaging did have me a little confused, and I couldn't find too much information online, so I will have to, as I do a deeper dive into all of these products, I will have to do some more research. This is more of just a preliminary introduction for me and for whoever's watching this video. And then this one here, the Brilliant in the bigger packaging, I believe this is a PPF coating. So that one is a PPF coating. These are all paint coatings, except for the leather there. So there you go. That is the Bola Solutions lineup for the most part. There's a few odds and ends that I don't have included here, but majority of their product line that is now available at Carzilla is right here. And as of right now, as of the time of this recording, most of these products are on sale at carzilla.ca, so you can go check them out. I'll pretty much link everything in the description below. And then please do me a favor, if you're interested in any of these products, I am going to be testing them out a lot more extensively in the next couple of days here. Let me know by commenting below if there's any of these products that you want me to do a deeper dive on, and I can do that. I'll be happy to do it. Like I said, I've been testing out a few of them. I haven't been really thinking about reviewing them in my mind as I'm using them right now, but I will definitely do some tests on them as I go along. But I'm going to be looking out for your comments, so please, please, please do comment below. I really appreciate it. And then hit that like button. It helps the algorithm as well. Comment, like, subscribe. It really helps the channel. And I'll see you on the next one.